Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2022 Buick Encore GX? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems in your Encore GX. Engine compartment fuse block. The engine compartment fuse block in the 2022 Buick Encore GX contains essential fuses and relays for vital systems such as the engine, cooling, and lighting. It provides easy access for maintenance and troubleshooting. Instrument panel fuse block. The instrument panel fuse block in the 2022 Buick Encore GX manages the electrical circuits for interior components like the infotainment system, power windows, and lighting. It is conveniently located for quick access during fuse replacements or system checks. Rear compartment fuse block. The rear compartment fuse block in the 2022 Buick Encore GX controls electrical functions for rear systems like the liftgate, rear lighting, and auxiliary power outlets. It is strategically positioned for easy access to ensure efficient maintenance and fuse replacements.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. link fuse. Mega fuse. High amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions, blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.